What's up, everybody? Brian here, just trying to bring you another weekly update. We're kind of in a holding pattern with this drought, not a whole lot going on. Most of you are dealing with this, so you know what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna get out of here. I'm packing to go on a fishing trip in Mexico, aka my 25th anniversary with my beautiful wife Karen. But trying to keep the YouTube channel updated, get a couple things uploaded for you guys before I go. And hopefully the rains will be back next week, which it looks like. And we'll be rocking and rolling. So enjoy this one, and I'll check back with you later. What's up, everybody? Brian here, just getting some foliar spray mixed up at the Vitalized Seed test farm. It's been drier than heck here. I'm sure most of you are in the same boat. Been hearing that from just about everybody across the country, but no rain, but I'm gonna try to get some wet foliar spray on the Vitalized that we drilled a couple weeks ago, and see if that'll at least give it something, since it's not getting any rain. But gonna get that knocked out today. It's kind of hot, still not much rain forecasted, so see what else we can get done today. Checking out the germination. You see the cuts through the ground here from the drill. Some of these bean plants are 6 inches tall already. See some peas coming up there. Pretty decent germination for not having any rain. You can tell they're ready for some water. I know that. I think we got a little bit yesterday, but not a whole lot. I was worried because that foliar powder says to keep agitated. You can see inside my tank just from shaking around. It did a pretty decent job, so pretty happy with that. Hopefully this gives this field a little bit of help anyway until we get some rain. Sunflowers don't have a prayer, man, ever. Every one of them is nipped off. But there's some beans coming up, peas. I mean, you can't complain about this with as dry as it's been. Looks great. Spraying some foliar fertilizer on this plot here. You can see the beans and peas and buckwheat. cruising along. Spotted this old thing laying over here. It's pretty cool. Looks like it might have got hit with the no-till. Got a little line cut there. Pretty sweet. Well, that's going to be a wrap for today. We got, I think, 4 fields sprayed with the foliar fertilizer spray. And hopefully that gives the plants a little bit of something, and hopefully we get some rain here soon. But everything's looking really good. A couple of spots where the clover was thick, you can see right here. We didn't get a real good kill, but everywhere else, pretty decent kill. Pretty happy with how everything turned out. So just fingers crossed for rain for us and everybody out there. I know a lot of you guys are struggling with this drought too, so hopefully you're able to have access to a drill. What a big difference, as you could see from the videos and the plants that I was showing you earlier. Took advantage of that ground moisture when we planted it, so hopefully that'll get us through. And good luck, and I'll check back with you all soon. Got some Roundup Ready alfalfa going down. Got this all sprayed off. There's a little low spot here that stayed wet, that green line. So that alfalfa will be from here towards me. That got a little bit steep over there when I was spraying a couple weeks ago, so I didn't want to take the chance, but might stop the alfalfa right here, and then this strip that I sprayed back, maybe just leave that for a fall plot or something, we'll see. Or we might even just throw some Vitalize Nitro Boost in there for the summer. So pretty straightforward. You just spray this off, broadcast the Roundup Ready alfalfa. Then all you got to do is come back and treat it for weeds and grasses with Roundup. It's kind of hard to see, that rolls over and back up. That's going to be planted in some Vitalize, and we may even put some soybeans and corn up that end too, so we'll see. Just haven't had any rain. This soil has seemed to stay a little bit wet. There's a couple of springs coming off, as you can see here, but this is all still, there's enough moisture in there since we haven't tilled it up or anything. So that alfalfa ought to pop, and we can't go forever without rain. I guess I shouldn't say that, but hopefully we'll get the rain that we need and get this stuff popping up. I know I said I was wrapping up for the day, but got a little bit of sunlight and a little time left, so just trying to knock a couple things out. Like I said, this is going to be all alfalfa. Then there's a spring here, as you can see, these cattails. So I'm going to take some of the screening and just go right along the edge of this here, just to kind of break up this big, long open field. It's hard to see going back because that hump's there, but I'll record on the way out. I also put a strip of this at the top, and also where the next field started, where I said we're going to plant some Vitalize and maybe some beans and corn. So Just trying to compartmentalize this a little bit with some screening so the deer feel a little more comfortable in here. Sprayed along this gate here and threw out some screening. You can see some of it starting to pop. This thatch is helping for sure. Quite a few coming up. As always, thanks for watching, everybody. We'd appreciate it if you would follow us on all of our social platforms too. You can find us everywhere. Habitat Podcast. We've got over 200 videos here. Here's a couple more here and here if you want to watch some other videos and see how we're progressing. And you can also subscribe here, and you can check out Copperhead Unlimited, who does all of our production and editing here. Thank you.